Yes, sir.
Okay, so only 10 students have joined till now.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, can you start from?
Sir, why?
Sir, the third answer is 6.7.
Beta, we have to do the third one.
Sir, why you have written 6? Why you have written 6?
Beta, this one was for the last class. This is not for you. Okay, start doing the third one, all of you.
Sir, done. Excuse me, sir. Can you please start from the first question? Excuse me, sir. Sir, can you start from the first question of the?
Okay, so third one. How many of you have done the third one?
Sir, I have not.
Sir, sorry, Saxena has done third one.
Sir, Rishit.
Sir, Nandini.
Okay, good. Let me explain the third one.
Sir,
An
can you start
athlete
from the first
runs
question?
201 kilometers in 30 days. There is an athlete who runs 201 kilometers in 30 days. How much does he run in one day? So distance covered by the athlete in 30 days?
Sir, we will do divide.
Yes, correct. Distance
We'll do division.
covered in 30 days. This is given 201 kilometers. Distance covered in 30 days. You have to find the distance covered in
The
1 day.
answer will be 6.7.
Distance covered in 1 day.
Sir, is the answer is 6.7.
201 divided by 30. Okay, so let us divide 201 by 30. 201. Now 201 is greater than 30, so you can divide it. 36 times it will go. 6 times 30 into 6 is 180. 7 it will be greater than 201. So 6 times you will take 30 into 6 180 minus the remainder is 21. 21 is the remainder. It is smaller than 30, but your remainder is not 0. So what you do, you put a decimal here in the quotient and in the dividend also, dividend and quotient, put a decimal both the sides, and now you can add a 0 in the dividend. Add a 0 after decimal, you can add a 0 in dividend. Copy down the 0 here, it becomes 210. 210. Now divide 210 by 30.
Good
It will go
afternoon,
7
sir.
times. 30 into 7 is 210. So what is the difference? 0 is the difference. Yeah, that means your remainder is 0. So how much distance the athlete covers in one day? 6.7 kilometers. Clear, all of you?
Sir, written.
Good morning, sir. Sir, done question 4 also.
Very good.
Sir, me too. Done question 4. And doing the fifth one.
Sir, done question 5.
Very good. This was the
Thank you,
third
sir.
one. I have not written the question number. I forgot to write. This was your
Sir,
third one.
done grade 5 also.
Very good, beta. Now let us start with question 4. Fourth one, have you all done? Do you want to ask anything in question 4? Anyone? Okay,
No, sir.
I'm telling it. Question 4.
Is the answer of question 4 is 48
Yes.
centimeter?
It's 48. The answer of question 4 is 48, correct.
Sir, mine also correct.
You need, I'm starting with question 4, okay. You need 20 pieces of ribbon, each of length 2.4 centimeters. So there you require 20 pieces of ribbon, and the length of each piece of ribbon will be 2.4 centimeters. Okay. So how much ribbon do you need in all? Total, how much ribbon is required? This is what you have to find out. Length of one piece is 2.4 centimeters. So you have to find what will be the length of 20 pieces. So simply what you have to do, you have to multiply and you will get the total length of ribbon which is required. Okay. So length of each piece. Of ribbon.
Sir, I have written like this ribbons need is equal to 20 pieces.
No
Each
problem,
ribbon
beta.
length 2.4 centimeter.
No problem. Length of each piece of ribbon 2.4 centimeters. Length of 20 pieces equals to 2.4 multiplied by 20. Okay. So I'm doing it here. 20 into 2.4. 0, 8, 0, 4. 0, 8, 4. So how many decimal places are there? Total how many decimal places are there in the two numbers? Only one decimal place is there.
One.
So
Only one.
in your
So
answer,
the answer will be 48.0.
correct. In your answer, you start from the right side and leave one digit and then you put a decimal. Because there is only one decimal place in the question. So in the answer, start from the right side, leave one digit and put a decimal. 48.0. 48.0 is also equal to 48. So we can simply write 48 centimeters. This is the answer. So total length of ribbon required.
Sir, 48 centimeter.
Yeah, correct. Total length of ribbon needed 48 centimeters. This is centimeter. 48 centimeters.
Sir, written.
Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done all questions.
Okay, now question number 5.
Sir, I am in 7th one.
Okay, very good. So many spaces of this, so much space. Place 0. अच्छा ये यहाँ पर नहीं डाल सकते थे. So much space wasted. Narrowability क्या बोलते?
Sir, is the answer of question 5 is 1282.50?
Sir, done all. Sir, done all.
Very good, beta. Let's do the
Sir,
fifth. I will
1282.50, then 18.5. 0.25. 7.
the fifth one.
Sir, is the answer of fifth one is 1282.50?
Yes, mine is also.
I think it
What
is
is it?
something like this only. I don't remember. I will have to do it. Fifth one.
Sir, my answer is also this
The
only.
driver is paid.
It
Our
should be
driver.
correct.
For a driver is
Only
paid
Rishit.
rupees 85.50 per day. How much will he earn in 15 days? Amount paid to the driver in 1 day. Amount paid for 1 day. What is the amount paid for 1 day? It is rupees
Sir, we will multiply.
85.50. 85.50 is the amount paid for 1 day. How much is the amount paid in 15 days? Simple. Just multiply.
85.50 50
Or
into 1
this
15.
is equals to 85.50 multiplied by 15. Okay. 85.50 multiplied by 15. 5 into 0, 5, 5 into 5, 25, 25, 27, 2, 42. 8, 2, sorry, 8, 5, 5, 0. 0, 5, 2, 1, 8, 1, 2. 128250.
Sir,
Now
yes, sir, my answer is also coming this only.
there are 2 decimal places. So
Yes, sir, this is correct.
in the answer, start from the right side and leave 2 decimal places, leave 2 digits and put a decimal. 1282.50. That means 1282.50 is the amount paid to the driver for 15 days. 1282.50. This much amount is paid for 15 days. Clear?
Sir,
Money earned by the driver.
sir, done.
Done? Everyone has done this?
Yes, sir, I have done seventh one also.
Yes, sir, I also.
May I erase this from the board?
Yes, sir. I also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I also.
Question number 6. Eighteen 18.6 kg of sugar is consumed in 3 houses in a month. How
Sir,
much?
what is the answer of fifth one? Please tell again.
Fifth one, the answer is 1282.50, something like this only. 1282.50. Please.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the answer is 1282.50.
Yeah. 6 18.6 kg of sugar is consumed in 3 houses in a month. So sugar consumed in 3 houses is rupees 18, sorry, not rupees, is 18.6 kgs. Sugar consumed is 18.6 kgs. How much sugar is consumed in a house? That means how much sugar is consumed in one house. You have to find out. Sugar consumed in 3 houses is 18.6 kg. Given 18.6 kg of sugar is consumed in 3 houses. You have to find the sugar consumed in one house. Eighteen point six divided by 3. This is the sugar consumed in one house.
Sir, 6 kg. Sir, 6 kg.
Sir, 6.2 kg. 6.2 kg.
Yeah. 6.2. 18.6.
6.2 kg.
Yes, sir, 6.2 kg.
6 times 18, remainder 0. Now you are copying the first digit after decimal. So you put a decimal in the question. Because you have copied the first digit after decimal, you put a decimal there. Forget about the decimal. 6 divided by 3, 2 times. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So answer is 6.2 kg of sugar is consumed in one house. Note down the answer.
Sir,
Sir, is the answer of seventh one is 0.2.
Let us do the seventh one. Wait. This was the sixth one. Again, I forgot to
Yes,
write.
sir. The answer of seventh one is 0.25 only.
Sixth one, have you all done the sixth one?
End of 16. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The 6.2 is the answer.
Seventh question. A cake weighing 7.5 kg was divided among 30 people. What will be the share of each person? There was a cake weighing 7.5 kg. It was divided among 30 people. Okay. What will be the share of each person? Total quantity of cake for 30 people.
Sir, I have written weight of cake.
Quantity of cake for 30 people, it is 7.5 kgs. Quantity of cake for
Is the answer is
one person
0.25 kg?
or one person. Yes, correct.
Yes.
7.5 divided by
Sir, we will divide.
30. 7.5 divided by 30. Okay. So simply divide it 30 and 7.5. Now, in this, you take the first digit here, 7. 7 is smaller than 30. So you will have to take both the digits. You have to take both the digits. But the second digit, when you are taking the second digit also, it is coming after decimal. You are taking a digit which is coming after decimal. So you will begin your quotient with decimal. Is it okay, all of you? First digit, if you take only the first digit 7, 7 is smaller than 30, so you have to take both the digits. When you have to take both the digits, you can see that the second digit is coming after decimal. So you are taking a digit after decimal. So you will start your answer, start your question with decimal. Okay. So now this is 75. Now you can take both the digits. 75, 32 times. If you go 2 times, 30
2
is
are 6.
60. 75 minus 60 is 15. 15 is smaller than 30, yes. So you will copy 0 in the, write down a 0 in the dividend and then copy the 0 here.
Sir, the
And now
answer
this is
is
150.
0.25 kg.
5 times you will go 5 times. It becomes 150. 150 minus 150 is 0. Answer is 0.25 kg. 0.25 kg. This is the answer. Clear?
Sir,
Note down the question.
Sir, done.
Okay, so have you all done this? Seventh one?
yes, sir, I have done all.
Okay, so now you will note down an extra question. I will be giving you an extra question. You all will note down the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I am going to share my screen, and on my screen you will see a question. You have to do that question, okay? I'm going to say there
Sir,
is a
they are extra questions.
yeah, this is an extra
The
question.
extra question.
Yeah, please listen, be attentive, all of you.
Sir, I can't listen you as there is a network
Beta, I have not
problem.
shared the screen till now. I'm going to ask an extra question.
Notebook.
I'm going to share my screen. So when I share my screen,
Sir, in notebook, as there is a network problem, I can't
you all
listen.
have to do this in your fair notebooks. Okay. When I share my screen, you will see a question. You have to note down that question and do it in your copies. Okay. So you can see the question now. Are you all able to see the question?
Yes, sir.
This is question number 3.
Yes,
Note down
sir.
the question. The answer which is written at the top, this one, this is not the answer of the question. Question 3, the answer is below it, but that I have not shown on the screen. You can only see the question. So you have to note down this question. 1 kg basmati rice costs rupees. Instead of dollar, make it rupees. Instead of dollar, make it rupees.
Sir, please tell we have to do this in our notebook. Sir, please tell we have to do in our notebook.
Yes, beta, you have to do this in your notebook. Okay.
Sir, I can't listen.
You have to do this in your notebook, fair notebook.
So can you write in the chat
We
box?
have to write questions.
Note down the question in your copy and then start doing. You have to write the question also. 1 kg basmati rice costs rupees. Instead of dollar, make it rupees. Dollar की जगह rupees कर दीजिए. 1 kg of basmati rice costs rupees 43.75. Find the cost of 17 kg of rice. Okay. Written the question, all of you? First, note down the
No,
question
sir.
in your copies. Have you all written the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am going to stop sharing the question now.
Sir, please wait.
Copied the question.
इसे बोलो मत.
Now you
दिया.
start doing the question. I'm going to stop sharing. Yes, I have stopped it.
Sir, not copy. Please show again.
Beta, see this.
मधुरम घर में कितने दिन का है ये? मधुरम 15 दिन में चल जाएगा. ये है. क्या बोला?
Okay, done.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now you can stop sharing.
1 kg basmati rice costs rupees, make it rupees 43.75. Find the cost of 17 kg of rice.
Sir, copy.
Now start doing the question, all of you.
Sir, done.
अभी आगे चाहिए तो मेरा ये है. जगह बना. तुम लोग तो रिसाइकिल यूज कर सकती हो क्योंकि तुम ज्यादा भीड़ भाड़ में नहीं जाती हो.
Sir, done.
Sir, please show all questions again. Extra questions. As I
Because
was
there
not
was
in the
only
meeting
one
because
extra
of network
question.
issue.
There was only one extra question. So I showed it to you. You want to see it again?
Sir,
Sir, Adhiraj Sharma done.
Quickly note down the question. I am sharing the screen again. Yeah. Can you see the question now? One kg basmati rice.
Sir, taken out answer also.
1 kg basmati rice costs rupees, make it rupees 43.75. Find the cost of 17 kg of rice. Only one question is there. So note down the question and start doing.
sir, done. Sir, done.
So how many of you have done?
Sir,
I will be showing you the answer now.
Sir, Rishit, done.
Quickly see the solution and you can verify your answer. Your answer is 743.75 rupees.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Sir, my answer is correct.
So this is the answer. You can see it on your screen. 743.75. This is the answer. Solution is given on the board. On the screen, you can see the solution. Okay.
Sir, please show the
743.
question again.
Have you all checked your answers?
Sir, please show the
Yes.
question